Power BI Desktop is the free Windows application where reports are built. It is the developer's workbench. You connect to data, shape it, model it, and design visuals here before publishing to the cloud. Installing Power BI Desktop. Download from the Microsoft Store or microsoft.com. Windows-only Mac users typically use a virtual machine or the web service. Microsoft releases monthly updates with new features and visuals. The three main views. Down the left edge of desktop, you'll see three icons that switch between the views you'll spend all your time in. Report. View the canvas, where you drag fields onto visuals to build pages of charts and KPIs. Data view, a spreadsheet-like view of the loaded tables, useful for checking values and writing calculated columns. Model view, a diagram of your tables and the relationships between them, similar to an ER diagram. Other key areas. Ribbon home, insert, modeling, view, help tabs, similar to Excel. Fields pane lists every table and column available to drag onto visuals. Visualizations pane the gallery of chart types and formatting options. Filters pane apply filters at visual, page, or report level. Why it matters. Almost all serious Power BI work starts in desktop because it is the only place you can edit data models and DAX measures. It has the full Power Query editor. Once published, the same .pbix file becomes a cloud dataset and report. Try this. Open Power BI Desktop and explore. Switch between report, data, and model views and notice what changes. Click Get Data Excel and load any small workbook. Open Transform Data to see the Power Query editor. Drag a numeric field onto the canvas. Power BI auto-creates a column chart.